5 must-have apps that can help you win the battle against busy days. Todoist, the ultimate to-do list app, where you can organize your tasks, set priorities, and never forget any deadlines again. If TTT, imagine a world where your apps and devices talk to each other. If TTT makes it happen by automating the task and save your time. Evernote, say goodbye to the scattered notes and hello to the organized billions. Evernote lets you capture, store, and share your ideas and notes seamlessly. Brain FM, tired of the same old playlist? This app offers music designed to boost your focus, helping you stay in the zone and conquer your tasks. Calendly, scheduling made simple. No more email time. Just share your availability and let others book their meetings with you effortlessly. Are there any apps that we missed? Let us know in the comments.